There are two Ogwu principles that we should basically understand. The first one is Echa Ogwu or Echa Ihe. And the second one is Echake Ogwu or Echake Ife or Ihe, depending on your dialect. Now, as in the Igbo, when we make reference to Ogwu, we are simply outlining the scientific expression of herbs, roots, and energy. So what this means is that the Dibia basically brings roots together, two different roots, because the Dibia understands its characteristics, its properties. The Dibia brings them together and basically, under some certain circumstances, he applies this principle of Echa Ehe, which is to modify those roots, those herbs. He modifies it to basically mean, or to basically use it to achieve an intention or to give a certain command for it to basically manifest or perform that command. Just